Can you believe how good this store looks? It's so beautiful in here. Who does all this?
Well, I hear that they have this really great designer and she loves Christmas.
Lisa, is that you?
I think that's me.
Welcome to the Bruce Company, everybody. Christmas has taken over in the beautiful Bruce Company showroom. Lisa has been working her tail off along with all of her elves to make all of this magic happen.
It's a 10-week process and we're really proud of it. And we hope that everyone will come and visit because it's really beautiful. And it puts you in the mood being home for the holidays and maybe a little bit of normality.
Totally.
Yes.
I love it.
Come in and you can experience it.
Let's get to decorating inside.
Yes, so the new lights this year are called RGB.
Okay.
There are different diodes in each bulb and they can endlessly mix to create millions of colors.
Awesome.
And so they're really fun. They also do all kinds of special effects. We have them on a tree, a pre-lit tree, and then we also have them as lights, strings of lights.
Okay. And these are like remote controlled, so you could really have fun.
Yes, they have remotes.
With guests.
Yes, you can.
Any more tips for decorating?
Well, we've got all kinds of greens for outside too, so come on in and you
favorite.
can stuff your pots, your porch pots. It's a really good time to transition. So all kinds of really beautiful greens and sticks and outdoor berry picks and all kinds of stuff to sort of make your home look beautiful inside and out, top to bottom, decking your halls.
Come in here, get inspired. It's exactly why she works as hard as she does every single year to make this so beautiful.
Yes, and we want you to be home for the holidays and have a great time.
Oh, that sounds so nice. Mr. Bear, come on up here. I'm Emmy Fink.
And I'm Lisa Briggs.
And you are buzzed into Madison.